The Gigabyte Aero 15x is a gaming laptop released in 2018 which is still a great option today for around £850. I managed to get a really good deal on mine on eBay and I only got it for £700. The laptop houses a 15.6-inch IPS 1080p 144Hz panel with an X-Rite Pantone color accuracy certification, meaning it's great for color accurate work and content creation on the go. There is also a 4K 60Hz option, but I chose the higher refresh rate option as I'm going to be primarily using this laptop for an esports title, aka Rocket League. Below the screen is a 720p webcam, and like many other laptops, it doesn't look the best.
The microphone doesn't sound that good either.
And because of the placement, you get an unattractive up-the-nose angle. Next to the camera there's an ambient light sensor, which isn't very common in laptops. What that means is, like newer smartphones, the brightness dynamically adjusts depending on your surroundings. Inside the laptop there's a Core i7-8750H, a GTX 1070 Max-Q, and 16GB of single-channel 2666MHz SODIMM RAM. Below the fans you can see a huge 94Wh battery which boasts 10 plus hours of productivity on the website, but I'm not expecting anything over 3 hours while using a demanding software like Premiere Pro. The keyboard is per key RGB backlit, which is nice as there's a variety of different patterns and colors you can change your keyboard to. In the bottom right of the laptop you can see there's a sticker listing all of the key specs of the laptop and even 5 status LED indicators. One cool thing about these status indicators is that they can actually show you how much battery the laptop has even when it's off. Just tap the right side of the trackpad and the indicators will light up, displaying how much battery the laptop has left. The speakers aren't the best. They're quite tinny and there is no bass at all. That's not a huge deal breaker though, as you'll probably be using headphones while using this laptop. Opening up the laptop you can see the internals. At the top you can see the heat pipes and the fans for the CPU and graphics chip. I'm not going to take off the heatsink as I've already repasted it, but I do have a photo here that I took so you guys can see what it looks like. Under that you can see the single stick of RAM. There are 2 slots so you can install another stick if you want. I'm going to do that sometime in the future to get the benefits of dual channel. In the bottom right you can see a 500GB Transcend M.2 SSD with a thermal pad on it, and on the left side of the laptop you can see the wireless card, and obviously at the bottom there is the battery. With all the internals finished, now I have to test it with some games. Here are the results. Just a quick disclaimer, I have undervolted the CPU by 145 millivolts, and I have repasted both the CPU and the GPU, and all of these tests were ran on maximum fan speed, so this is practically the best case scenario thermally. And there we have it. The Gigabyte Aero 15x is a great laptop for the price. The latest laptops at this price usually have a GTX 1650 or 1660, but the 1070 is still a better graphics card for the price. Anyway, that wraps up my video on this laptop. I want to give a huge shout out to Nexus and Zauberfetten for helping me pay for this laptop via donations in my Twitch streams. It means a lot. I'm going to be using this laptop to make videos, stream, and play games on the go. If you guys did enjoy this video, then make sure to hit like, leave a comment for the algorithm, and subscribe. Follow my socials, the links are in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.